The word we'll be learning in this video is 宇宙, which you will often hear in science class, news about space, and conversations about movies or anime. Imagine how much more natural your Japanese will sound when you can say things like, the universe is full of mysteries, astronauts travel into outer space, and we live on a tiny planet in a vast universe. Let's get started. 宇宙. 宇宙. The word 宇宙 means the universe or outer space. It refers to everything beyond Earth, including stars, galaxies, and all cosmic matter. You can use 宇宙 when talking about astronomy, science, or even poetic ideas about the vastness around us. In short, 宇宙 is the whole cosmos beyond our planet. The first kanji means eaves and space. Its common reading is う. You see it in words like 宇宙人 and 宇宙船. In those words, this kanji gives the sense of a wide space above, like the sky. Think of a roof or open area to remember the meaning. The second kanji means mid-air and space. Its common reading is 中. You see it in words like 宙返り and 宙ぶらり. In those words, the kanji suggests being suspended or free in the air. That sense of suspension connects to the idea of space around or below. Outer space. 宇宙空間. 宇宙空間. Space development, space exploration programs. 宇宙開発. 宇宙開発. To explore space. 宇宙を探索する. 宇宙を探索する. To live in space. 宇宙で暮らす. 宇宙で暮らす. Someone, something, launched into space, took off for space. 宇宙へ飛び立った. 宇宙へ飛び立った. The most common synonyms of the 宇宙 are 空間 and cosmos. 空間 is used for measurable or local physical space and often emphasizes three-dimensional or 限定された場所 rather than the vast cosmological sense of 宇宙. Cosmos is a more poetic or philosophical term, very close to 宇宙 in meaning and tone, used in literary or stylistic contexts. The most common antonyms of the 宇宙 are 地上 and 地球. 地上 refers to the ground, or the area close to Earth's surface, and is often used in contrasts like space versus on or above the ground, highlighting proximity to Earth rather than the emptiness of 宇宙. 地球 means the planet Earth itself, although it is not a literal opposite. It commonly functions as the counterpart to 宇宙 in contexts that contrast space with our home planet.